Worried about overpaying on a home? In 2025, buyers across the DC metro finally have more room to negotiate. It's not a full buyer's market, but conditions have shifted enough that smart buyers can press for price breaks, credits, and better terms. One of my recent first-time home buyer clients landed a home in DC listed at $522K. The property had been sitting for weeks. We negotiated nearly 2% off the price and secured closing costs help from the seller. That isn't a one-off story. Homes across the region that linger past the first month are giving buyers leverage to ask for perks. Across the DC metro, homes are selling right around list price. In June 2025, the average sale closed at 99.9% of the final price. And in DC proper, it averaged about 2% below list. Properties priced right still move quickly, but stale homes are where deals show up. Inventory is climbing. Active listings are up a whopping 23% year over year in the metro. That puts supply at about 2.5 months overall and 1.8 months in Northern Virginia. It's still a lean market, but compared to the ultra-tight market of 2021 and 2022, buyers have more negotiating space. Homes are taking longer to move. The median days on market is 36 metro-wide, 42 in DC, and 20 in Northern Virginia. If a home hasn't sold in the first 3 weekends, odds go up that the seller will agree to concessions. Mortgage rates are hovering near 6.7 to 7%, which is also cooling demand. Nationally, nearly 44% of sales in early 2025 included seller concessions like closing credits, rate buydowns, or repair allowances. In the DC area, this trend shows up most with condos and homes listed over 30 days. Buyers are not only negotiating prices, they're winning extras that ease monthly payments. If you're buying this year, you have more leverage than you have had in recent years. Focus on homes that have been on the market longer than 30 days, especially condos, and don't be afraid to ask for credits or a buy down. If you're selling, the key is strategy. Price based on the most recent 30-day comps, stages the home for maximum appeal, and consider offering incentives up front to stand out. If you want advice tailored to your situation in DC, Maryland, or Virginia, reach out to me anytime. I'll help you navigate this market with the plan that works for you. So, now you know.